Thank you for watching sa last videos. The last video that I made, it's the preventing or prevention of coming up or blackening of the gray hair, treatment of dandruffs, thickening of hair, lalo na yung malapit na mapano, as what you've seen in my videos and on my after and before and after. I almost got all talaga, and you've seen the result, at least my result kahit papano. And besides it, your hair becomes shiny and smooth like what I have without this. Tsaka ako, iwan ko lang. I just don't know if I got. So maybe it's hiding somewhere. But it's alright. Those tips is very cheap. And besides, you don't need to buy it every day. What you call that? You just found it in the everything found in your kitchen. You always almost use it every day anyway, so no need to buy to look for it. It's not difficult to find. So here we are. And this one, another tips for you is inuubo kayo. Inuubo kayo na hindi talaga natatanggal. A hard cup that it takes a long time. Even you take medicines, keep on coughing every day. It takes a week, a month, or sometimes a year. The cough won't go away. Even you're taking cough medicines. So here's a new tips for you. Which is you found in the kitchen also. Here is the ingredients. 1 calamansi, or if you're not here in the Philippines, you can find it you can find it in your place. Use the lemon. The ginger. Well, there are Asian store everywhere in the world, I think. Wherever you are, there are mostly an Asian store that you can buy this ginger, calamansi, or lemon, and what is this? Flour. Harina sa Tagalog. Harina. Lang. Tapos, and then, we also use, or if you have a handkerchief or anything, any piece of cloth, small ones, pwede, you can use it. Here we go. We will going to start it. Ito, I already have even this big only, it will do. This one, only the biggest one. Then I already cut this into small cubes. I put it here. You don't need the what you call that, blender. All you have. dry, that's why. so for instance, okay lang to, kahit demonstrate lang naman, just a demonstration. For instance, this filled, this one is already filled. Kunti lang kasi nagawa. This one already filled of this substance, no? And then after that, take your clothes off, then you put it at the back. Pero maghubad kayo, ha. Take your clothes off, put this inside your clothes so it touches your skin, so you can feel the coldness. You can feel the thing in there, and once it's already absorbed in your body, in your lungs, this one will become dry. So mag-dry na sa itong matanggal, and it will be itching when this will be dried off. So take it off, and then you have to pakiramdaman. How do you say it in English? You have to feel it if how it felt after this. Kasi medyo pag in some cases na hindi pa rin talaga you can do it on the next day pag wala pa talaga siya. So pero masarap ang pakiramdam, makatulog ka ng maayos kasi ito malamig. This one is you feel a cold in the lungs. When it absorbs, masarap ang pakiramdam and stop you from coughing hard. So dahan-dahan siyang mawala. Slowly the coughing will slowly gone. So try it at your home. Try it if you're coughing very hard. So and sometimes when we cough, we hardly breathe too. Hirap kaya pag grabing pupo. So I hope guys, I shared with you yung kaalaman, a new learning, knowledge. My God, wala na, palibhasa, out of school ng matagal. Sorry guys. Wala na tayong kausap na American kasi or English people, so look at me. Pero it's alright. Pero ito kasi, when this one filled all the way here, masarap pakiramdam na makavered hanggang dito yan. So, it's up to you kung damihan nyo na lang. Ganito kalaki para maraming juice. O this, as big as this. And, yung kung mas may malaki pa dito, kunti lang naman nabawas. This is only 1 piso. So, I think this is 5 peso or 3 pesos. And this one is 1 piso here in the sari-sari store. You can buy it everywhere, or I don't know, in other places outside the Philippines. How could you eat that? Oh, anyway, there's a lemon. Use it. You can use it. It's more bitter. More juice. So, siguro isang kutsara. Tapos ito, isang kutsara o makadalawang kutsara. Ito, kunti lang naman, basta medyo. Kasi ito siya, when it put at your back, to where your lungs is, matutuyo agad yan siya. Pagka, kasi ina-absorb ng baga nila. Kabaga-bagaan. Kaya, sana guys, nakatulong ako. May matutunan ulit kayo. I hope I've helped you. You have learned more knowledge. And my next vlog, it's another tips sa pa rin yung hirap pa din sa pag hindi pa rin makuha dito. There's another thing na halos pareho ang gawa, pero it depends. Na iba lang yung, may isa lang na ibang may dalawa lang na ibang ingredients kasi you have to drink it. This one, you have to put it in at your breath or your lungs. And the next video that I'm going to do on my next vlog is you have to drink it. Madali din lang. But I don't know in other places outside the Philippines kasi wala silang ampalaya. I will show you the plants. Kasi ang kailangan natin dyan, all we need is the leaves of ampalaya. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. At sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe, salamat sa inyo. At sa hindi pa nag-subscribe, please click the button of the subscribe button and the bell button, so para ma-notified kayo, you will be notified on my next vlog. And for to share so that everyone may learn on how to do it, and like na rin lang. At saka salamat sa mga nanonood. Thank you for all my viewers. Sana in all vlogs that I'm going to make, papanoorin nyo lalo ako. Kasi marami pa akong ituturo sa inyo na for healthy tips. At saka yung iba pang dapat yung matutunan. Thank you. Salamat. At sa lahat ng mga kamag-anakan ko, mga kaibigan ko, at saka sa lahat ng mga subscriber ko, sa lahat ng nag-like, sa lahat ng nag-share, salamat sa inyo.